Hello everyone, welcome to this video on real-time application of data structure. Data structures are the fundamental in computer science and these are essential for organizing and managing the data efficiently. Today, we will explore various real-time applications of different data structure. So, here first the data structure is array. We know what is an array. So arrays are used for storing the elements in a sequential or contiguous memory location. So here the arrays or the application which uses arrays will have a quick access for elements by using its key value or by indexes. So example, the array can be used in databases. It can be used in any type of databases for storing and accessing and manipulating the data which are present on the database. And next is the arrays are used for image processing. In order to store, we know that image contains a pixel. For storing the pixel value, we can go for array concepts. And also these arrays are used in mathematical computations for storing the values of matrices and also for vectors, for representing the matrix and for representing the vectors. Vectors means it's a data with a direction. So for that we can use the concept of arrays. And the next concept is the linked list. So we know that the linked list, it contains a data and a pointer. A pointer field will denote the address of next node. So this is a dynamic memory allocation. So which makes us the application for inserting and deleting the values at any point, which cannot be done on the array structure. So the linked list data structure can be used for some application. That includes the music list, where the songs can be added or removed frequently and also in a dynamic way. And this linked list are used in web browsers in order to implement forward and backward navigations in the history. So if we want to move to previous page, there is a backward button and also there is a forward button, which is again a concept of doubly linked list. And this is also used in memory management. This helps for dynamic memory allocation for representing the operating systems. And the next data structure is stack. We know that stack means the concept is last in first out. The data which is inserted at last will be taken as a first, and the data which is inserted at the first will able to take the data only at the last. So that is the concept of stack. This is used for reverse order processing. So the stack can be the application which uses the stack data structures are a function call, or if we want to do some undo operation on any Word, Excel or any applications, the text editors, in order to do the undo for the last operation, the stack data structure can be used. If we do undo, the last that means the last editor operation will be viewed to the user. And the function call for managing the functions stack in a programming languages, we will be using stacks. And if we want to evaluate a mathematical expression, we can go for stacks. And next is the queues. So queues follows the first in first out principle, and this is an essential application which requires for orderly processing. So first in first out, the data which is inserted first will be taken as a first, the data which inserted at last will be taken as last data. So the queues can be this queue data structure has various application. So this helps in for CPU scheduling of the processor, and for printing, in printers we can use the queue, that is to print the first jobs in the, that is the which print we are giving first, that will print as a first data. And then the next one is scheduling. For processing the scheduling, that is the CPU operations can be processed in an operating system by using queue data structure, and this is also used in customer service management. For all the customer service related application, queues can be used. For example, for ticket booking or for payment operations on online, all these things uses the queue operation. Next is the graphs. So graphs means we know the graph consists of a node and edge. So the graph can be used for social network, for routing processes, for finding the shortest path in a network. We can go for graph data structure. And for some use for recommendation system, that means in order to analyze the performance of the user, means we can go for the graph data structure. And next is the tree structure. So tree means it's a hierarchical representation. So these data structure is used for file system processing, and also for database indexing and searching we can also use tree data structure. And in the artificial intelligence and machine learning domain, these tree data structures are used for decision making process. So all these things we will detailedly we will see on the future classes. So as of now I am just telling the overview of applications of the data structure. So data structures are the backbone of efficient data management and for processing in computer science. So understanding the real time application, so this helps in designing efficient algorithm and for the system. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video provides valuable insight into the real time application of data structure.